just ask for your understanding. Hindi naman talaga, kasi I'm only, by panahon ko is umiiksi na mag-behave talaga. Grade 4 kami noon, for manners and right conduct, pagsak talaga ako doon. Kaya nga, I'm enjoying my few days, it's about 1 month from now, beginning, come on, it's June 31st, I will be taking my oath of office if indeed I won the election. Grant me this little, to banter with the Filipinos. Pero pag presidente na, hindi ko magawin yan, siyempre. Behave talaga, pati yung ano ko. Yung problema, yung barong.
yung character niya, yung during the campaign, it was very appropriate. Yung kailangan he has to be tough. Iba yung ano niya. Pero ngayon, iba na yung, di ba? You notice, sabi niya kanina sa car, sabi niya, hindi na daw siya magmumura. Sabi ko sa kanya, ay nako, magugustuhan niya ng nanay mo. You know what? Mayor Duterte has so much respect for the position, yung presidency. Hindi niya masabi ngayon, but wait until such time na, you know, he maybe doesn't have the respect for the person, but it's the position. Presidente ka ng Republika ng Pilipinas.